I didn't get paper.
It's in your folder.
Huh?
Oh, it's in your notes. Okay. Alright, so this should just be a little refresher, at least for the first part, okay? When we're looking at slope-intercept form, does anybody remember what the M stands for? Slope. Okay, so let's fill that in. So M stands for slope. Okay, in algebra, we only do, do you remember last year like a constant rate of change? We only do that for linear. Like when we start looking at those quadratic functions, those exponentials, they don't look like a straight line because they don't grow the same every point, okay? So we don't necessarily call that the slope of those. We call it rate of change. So you're going to hear slope or rate of change. I know you've heard that before with the constant rate of change, but you're going to hear it way more than slope in here, okay? So whenever you see the M, of course with the linear functions, we're still just talking about slope, but if I use that interchangeably, if I say what's the rate of change, I'm talking about the slope, okay? What does the B stand for? The y-intercept. Okay. In a word problem, it may also say the initial value. So y-intercept or initial value. The starting point. And in case you get this confused, sometimes people explain it like the M is how it moves. So M would be like how it moves, and B is where it begins. Okay, so you need to give yourself a little thing to remember. Okay. What's up? All done? Okay, and then these are the so we can. We're on the third page, I think, if you want to join us. We didn't do all this yesterday. It's the whole unit, so we're on the third page. Okay, so let's look at number 1. If we're trying to find the slope and the y-intercept from the problem, okay, please all go ahead and make sure you stay with me because the second you're going to do this on your own, alright? Our goal is that we have to put it in slope-intercept form. So right here, I want you to notice when we look at slope-intercept form, the y is on its own over there, okay? So our goal when we see an equation is that we're going to try and isolate the y. What do you think that means when I say isolate?
Get it by itself.
We're going to get it by itself, okay? So we're going to try and do different inverse operations to get everything away from the y. Okay, that's where we're going to focus our attention. Alright, so it kind of always boils down to 2 steps unless they kind of throw some weird stuff at you. But you can almost always just move the x to one side and then divide by what's ever in front of the y. Okay, so let's look at this one. I see the y over here. Okay, and once I identify what side the y is on, that's the side I'm going to be doing stuff to get it to go away, okay? So what would you do first here? What do you think?
Subtract x.
We're going to subtract x. Okay? Then I'm going to come down, and I'm going to say, bring down this 3y. There's nothing else over here now, that went away. Is equal to, and then what's the best way to write that over here since I'm trying to be in slope-intercept form? Negative x minus 15. Okay, put the x first since we're trying to be in that slope-intercept form where the x is first. Okay? When I'm done with that, okay, what do you do to get the 3 to go away?
Divide it.
Divide everything by the 3, okay? You can write like one long fraction and put a 3 at the bottom, but I like to just go ahead and write it under everything so I know don't forget anything. So I'm going to divide every single thing in this problem by 3. So this makes that 3 go away. I'm left with y is equal to, what number is in front of that x?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. So we're going to do negative 1/3 x. And what's negative 15 divided by 3?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Okay? Once we're in slope-intercept form, it's super easy to figure out what the slope and the y-intercept are. So m is equal to, we're going to write our answer. What's the slope equal to? Negative 1/3. Okay, you can write it as a slant like that if you want to, or like that, I know what you're talking about. And then b is equal to what? Negative 5. Okay, so again, if it said, hey, write this equation in slope-intercept form, this would be your answer. If it said, identify the slope and the y-intercept like it does here, this would be my answer. So this is my slope and my y-intercept. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, on our quiz tomorrow, there's like 8 questions just like that. Okay, and then some of them are already in slope-intercept form. So that's the majority of it. It's just telling me what the slope and the y-intercept are. Okay, let's do number 2. Alright, what's different about this one than this one?
The X is on the left side.
Yeah, the X is kind of on its own. So there's a couple different things you can do. You can flip the whole thing around, or we can just kind of solve it how it is and see what happens. Okay, so let's look right here. The Y is over here. So that's the side I'm going to do stuff to. So what would you do first? What would you?
Subtract 30.
Subtract 30. Okay, subtract 30, subtract 30. Okay. So on this side, I'm left with negative 2x minus 30 is equal to 10y. Don't let it mess you up just because the y is on the other side, okay? We still do the same steps. We're trying to get the y by itself no matter where it's at, okay? What would the next step be? Divide by 10 everywhere. Alright, now when I get to this point and the y is already by itself, I like to go ahead and just put it over here, like how I normally would see it, okay? It doesn't change anything, we're not changing any of the signs. I'm just going to flip it around so it's a little bit easier to read, okay? So y is equal to, what's negative 2 over 10? Yep, negative 1 over 5x, good job, okay? And again, your calculator does that for you. If you type it in just like that, so negative 2 over 10, it'll simplify it for you. You don't have to know that in your head, okay? Check it with your calculator. And then negative 30 over 10 is what?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Alright, Braylon, call on somebody. Wes, what's the slope?
Negative 1/5.
Negative 1/5. Wes, call on somebody.
Braylon.
Braylon, what's the y-intercept? Negative 3. Okay. Alright, so that would be our answer for that one. That's my slope and my y-intercept. That line is a little crooked. Okay. And like I said, there's several like that on the quiz. So hopefully those will be some easy ones that you can get for sure. Okay, you may have to put them in slope-intercept form, you may not have to. So just make sure you pay attention. You're looking for the y to be by itself. Alright? Alright, the next one, number 3, it says graph each equation. So we are going to first put them in slope-intercept form, and then we're going to graph them. Okay? So I want you to take a second, and I want you to see if you can put this in slope-intercept form. Do whatever steps you want to in whatever order, but see if you can put it in slope-intercept form and graph it. If you want to go and try and graph it, you can. Or if you want to wait so we can talk about it. If you're still working, that's totally fine. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and show you how I would do it. Alright? The first thing I would do is I want to go ahead and get this 4 out of here just because you can do it in different orders, but that was kind of messing me up. So I subtracted 4 over here, and I got negative 5y, and then that minus 6x is equal to, and then negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. Okay? The next thing I did was I added the 6 to the other side, so then what I'm left with is negative 5y is equal to positive 6x minus 10 when I added it to the other side. And then I divided every piece of it by negative 5. Okay, can anybody tell me what they got as their whole slope-intercept form on the very last step?
Y equals x plus 2.
Good job. Plus 2. Okay. What does that mean? When I'm going to graph this, which one of those numbers tells me where to start? The plus 2. Okay, that means I'm going to start wherever y is equal to 2. Okay, so that's right here. On the y-axis, I go to where the 2 is. Okay? And the slope right here is m is equal to negative 6 over 5. And what is that telling me to do?
Go down 5.
Okay, what did you say?
Is it go
It's rise over run, right? So what does the top number tell me to do on this one?
down?
Go down 6. If there's a negative, it always goes with the top number. okay? And it doesn't go to the bottom, only the top. So it goes to the top number, so down 6, and then what does the bottom tell me to do? Go right 5, okay? So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And remember, what if I want to go the other direction? What do I do to know which way to go? You just do the opposite, right? So instead of going down 6, I go up 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then right 5. Instead, this time I go left 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And that'd be perfect, but you should have like at least 3 points. Okay, and then do your best to draw a straight line through those. Like I said, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. We're just doing the gist of it today. Alright, any questions on that first one, okay? I'm assuming that this should just be a refresher, but we should have already kind of mastered this already. So on the back, what I want you to do is I want you to do the 3 on the back by yourself, okay? So if you flip it over, do I have to do anything to the first one before I start to graph it? No, it's already in slope-intercept form, okay? So I'm going to give you probably about 5 minutes, alright? I want you to go through each question and check with the person beside you. So once you finish it, check with the person beside you, make sure you're on the right track, and then in a second we'll go over it, okay?
I like rulers.
Potentially. The better question is, do I trust Kel with a ruler? The answer is no. I don't even know their act, so.
I'm stretching.
No, I don't think I have them in here, Bryson. I think
Down
there's.
one.
Oh wait, I heard single.
No.
Okay, make sure you're doing math focused conversations, okay? If we are working with the person beside us.
You know, like maybe about
You said do at least 3 points.
Yes.
Good work, Wes.
So that'd be perfect. Just get a general straight line. And then we're going to go right into
Whoa.
Take another minute and then we're going to go over it. If you're done, just hang out for just a second. If you're still working, I know this is going kind of fast, so you're welcome to keep going and just like check back with me. But some of us, it seems, are like either kind of stuck or making a little mistake. So let's go ahead and look at some of them together, alright? This one, I did not have to do anything to change it to slope-intercept form, so I can already find the M and already find the B, okay? Where am I going to start out on this one? negative 4. Okay, so there's my first point is at negative 4. And once you plot that first point, the very next thing you do is you look at the slope, okay, because that's going to tell you how to move from that point. Alright, so the slope on this one is negative 1, okay? Every whole number has a what in the denominator? Okay, that's the top number, what's the bottom? A 1, okay? Every whole number has a 1 in the denominator, so you can always write any number as a fraction, okay? That down 1 means I go down, and that negative 1 means down 1, and that positive 1 means right 1. So then your very next point should be down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1, okay? Then if I want to go up, it's up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1, okay? We graph from the y-intercept, and then we move with the slope. Okay? So then, again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you should connect to those lines, and it should look something like this. Okay? Would you say this has a negative slope, a positive slope, an undefined, or a 0? What do you think?
Negative.
This is a negative, okay? You read it from left to right. If it's going down as I read from left to right, then it's negative, okay? If it's going, well, that one's positive too. Let's look at the next one, okay? Can anybody tell me what they did first to try and put this in slope-intercept form? Anybody want to help? Miles.
Subtracted x.
Subtract x, subtract x. Okay, why can I not do 6 minus 1x and get negative 7x? Why can I not do that? They're not, what do we call those when they're the same? Good, they're not like terms, you can't combine them, you just write them beside each other. So that goes away. I'm left with negative 3y is equal to negative x minus 6. Who can tell me what to do next? Andrew, I feel like you can tell me. What do you do next? Good, divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. Can someone give me the whole equation in slope-intercept form? Donna, you got it?
Y equals 1/3 x plus 2.
1/3 x plus 2. Okay? Alright, so, Allie, on this one, where do I start?
Y-intercept at 2, right, yeah.
Yep, good, at the y-intercept at 2, because my y is 2, my b, and then my slope is 1/3, so that means I go up 1, right 3. Okay, so I'm going to go up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. Okay, again, how do you go the other way? What direction would I go? Down 1, left 3. Down 1, left 3. Down 1, left 3. Okay, you don't have to do all those points. 3 is sufficient, but it just kind of helps make your line straighter. That one's still not great, okay? Alright, would you say this one is negative, positive, 0, or undefined? It's positive, okay? It's going up as I read it from left to right, okay? I always have to imagine, like, if you put a little man right here, is he going up or down, okay? And he would be going up. On this one, if you put a little man right there, he would be probably falling down the hill, but he would be going down, okay? So that's how you can remember which one is which. Alright, last one. On this one, what would you do first? Let's see. Cadence, what do you do first? Add x to both sides. And you get 2y is equal to x plus 6. And then Riley, what next?
Divide everything by 2.
Perfect, divide everything by 2. And then Grayson, do you have the slope-intercept form for me? What is it?
Y equals 1 x plus 2.
Perfect. Okay. Brady, where do you start on this one? 3? And then what does the 1/2 tell us to do, Bristol?
You got up 1 to the right.
Perfect. Up 1 to the right 2, and then down 1 to the left 2. You go the other way, okay? And again, I'm not looking for anything crazy. Just the general shape of the line. Okay? Do we have any questions on that? That's the whole quiz. It is literally just graphing lines, okay? So I feel pretty confident that we should do well on it, alright? Where the most people mess up is when you put that first y-intercept, you have to go off the slope. You can't just put the x-intercept, okay? We're going to practice going off of one line, alright? Now what I would like for you to do is we're